Imagine waking up every single day feeling like you're trapped in a never-ending nightmare. That's the harsh reality for the countless individuals battling chronic pain. It's not just a twinge here or a discomfort there. It's a consuming force that hijacks your life. Picture this: you had big dreams, passions, and ambitions. One day, ready to conquer the world, and the next day you woke up in extreme back or neck pain that never went away. You've tried everything that you could possibly think to do. Chronic pain is a relentless gatekeeper, blocking your every move. It's like carrying around a backpack filled with boulders, each one reminding you of who you used to be. You do not have to be a prisoner to your pain. It's time to fight back and take hold of the life that you once dreamed of, because there is ways and solutions of turning the tide to fight this chronic pain.